Hi everyone, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I have another wonderful Halloween video for you today. If you like budget-friendly decor that looks expensive, you are going to love the DIYs I'm sharing. The first project is my favorite and uses these car wash cloths that you can buy at Dollarama. There are 6 in the package, and this DIY uses 2 of them. Start by using pinking shears to cut the color trim off the cloth. Then use hot glue to attach the 2 cloths together. The reason I'm doing this is because I needed to cover more area than I could with just one cloth. Next, grab a glass container. I had this one in my cupboard, but the dollar store has several vessels that will work. Drape the cloth over the top and add details with hot glue. I cut eyes from a piece of black felt and cheeks from a piece of pink felt. I also spray painted a pumpkin pink and used hot glue to secure everything in place. To finish, add a plate to the top. Could this serving tray be any cuter? The next DIY uses this package of 6 candles from the dollar store. I only used 3 for this DIY, but you could easily make the entire package. I simply dipped the end of a paintbrush in black craft paint and added a ghost face to each of the candles. It doesn't get much easier than this. I have more spooktacular ideas to share, but if you like this video so far, please take a second and hit that like button. Make sure you let the paint dry completely and then pop them into candlestick holders. Even if you don't think you're crafty, you can totally do this one. The next DIY uses a lamp that I picked up at a yard sale this summer for only $2. I wanted a wireless lamp that I could put on my porch, so I cut the cord off with some sharp scissors. I also removed the light bulb because I'm going to use this light. Next, I created a bunch of bat decals with my Cricut. I made them in a variety of sizes to add variety to the inside of my lampshade. I added the decals to the inside of my lampshade and used hot glue to add a dollar store light to the base of the lamp. The light has a remote to change colors and turn the lamp on and off. I absolutely loved how this turned out. What do you think? How fun is this lamp with the color changing? I also wanted to show you this little craft kit I purchased at Dollarama last week. It was only $2. I found the measurements on the instructions weren't great. I only used 3 ropes rather than the 4 suggested, and I added a hanger and a few beads. But overall, I thought it turned out great. Here's a peek at how I styled some of these DIYs. I have some more fantastic videos planned, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified when I post something new. Talk to you next time. Bye!